You'll design text that looks like holographic foil. Start with bold typography centered on your canvas. Create a clipping mask layer above the text and brush in flowing gradients of pink, cyan, yellow, and lavender. Use a soft round brush with low hardness so colors blend seamlessly. Add a second clipped layer and use the smudge tool to create swirling reflective transitions that mimic real foil distortions. Apply a fine noise layer for metallic texture. Add a thin iridescent outline around the text using layer styles. Place your text on a clean, minimal background so the holographic effect remains the hero. This style is great for product packaging, fashion branding, and futuristic posters.